something else here. I've got a box. Because I thought what we'd do is we'd try and broaden our appeal to the youngsters. Have you seen these bloody things on YouTube?
Unboxing videos.
Unboxing videos where someone will sort of open a box. They take about 20 minutes and they say, oh, it's brown. I know it's brown. And they describe the box for ages. So I've got a box of stuff because the Network DVDs website caught my attention. So, I mean,
this looks like quite a package.
It is it's a big old box. I mean, I can't.
You got a Commodore 64 in there.
I've got nothing in there if I can't open the bloody thing. Hang on. Oh Christ! Right, here we go. So
the children on the internet are a lot more sort of proficient at, you know. What if you need to send it back? You've ripped it.
Oh shit! Well, you know, hang on. Here we go. I'm nearly in.
Arm.
Yeah. Here we are. Right. So, Network DVD caught my attention. Get open, you bastard. All right. Here we. Yeah, it's not going back. This. So.
No.